Telegram is one of the most popular messaging apps in the market. By integrating Telegram into your Joomla form, you can receive and view form submissions directly within Telegram on your smartphone or desktop app. And in this tutorial, we'll show you how to integrate Telegram to your form within a few minutes. Open the Telegram app. In the search bar, type Botfather and click on it. Click on the button Start. From the list, select Create a new bot. Enter a name for the bot. I will use Balbooa Forms. And press Enter. Now we need to enter username for the created bot. Please note that username should include bot at the end, as in examples. I will enter Balbooa Forms bot. Now, copy API. And visit chat with the created bot. Just click on the link. Click on the button Start and send any message to chat, for example, Hello bot. Open Form in Editor. Navigate to Integrations, Other, and click on the Telegram icon. Enter previously copied API key to field bot token, and click on the button Get Chat ID. After that, click on the button Save and save the form. It's time to test. Fill out the form and submit. As you can see on the right screen, after submitting the form we got a new message in Telegram with all submitted data. That's all. We have successfully integrated our form with Telegram. Enjoy!